welcome to our channel!
It's me, Isabelle.
And I'm Roxanne.
Nina, di ba una Roxanne?
Okay lang yun. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel!
It's me, Isabelle.
And I'm Roxanne.
Today we're gonna make
Milktea! Milktea!
The first product is Okinawa.
Okinawa is 109 pesos and with a net weight of 500 grams.
So let's get. And we need
Second product.
and here the and we have winter melon, my favorite flavor. So I want to use this. I can wait to eat. I mean to drink it.
Show it to them.
Here it is.
So this one pack can make 14 glasses. So winter melon is 114 pesos.
And next, here's the cream cheese. Next.
So cream cheese is 261 pesos and with a net weight of 500 grams also. Next product.
And guys, this is my doll. She's my little. She's my favorite character in the movie.
So what's her name?
Princess.
What's her name?
Her name is Princess Celestia.
Oh, I thought it's Princess Dahlia.
Hey, that's my name.
And the fourth product.
It's the pearl.
Choo choo choo.
No, I thought it's a toy, not a food.
The pearl is 1 kilogram and with a price of 104. So at the back of the pearl, you can see the how to prepare. Okay?
Here, look. It just a go, so we cannot see it well.
Yes. So every packaging of the product has the instructions on how to prepare.
Yes.
Next, and the last one is the last product is the caramelized sugar syrup. So
Guys?
the net weight of 750 grams, and this is only 90 pesos. So it can be used in the milk tea, in the leche flan, in other desserts,
And guys, this Princess Celestia, I cut a little bit of her hair because it's so long. It's in the floor now because.
So, ano ba sabihin ko? So, we bought these products in the Shopee. Specifically in the Perfect UPH because the Enjoy's official store is out of stock. So, we will put our milk tea. Where will it go?
Wait, this is second.
We will put our milk tea in these mason jars.
Wait for me.
So, whose mason jar is this?
Okay, that's mine.
Oh, this is yours. This is Belle's.
I'm going to go to watch movies.
We bought this mason jar last, I don't know, I was 18 years old back then at my debut.
Yes. And then this is my favorite flavor, and I wish I can get this.
Why is that your favorite flavor?
Because when I taste it, it's so yummy. So I like this flavor.
So, do you want to start now?
Yes, of course I did.
Say, I'm ready!
I'm ready.
Game!
Hi. It smells like.
What does it smell like?
It smells like gas.
Huh?
It smells like gas.
Gas!
It's too much.
May mga ano?
May sugar. May ano.
Hey, give me that. Give me that one. Give me. This is mine.
Amoy ano na. pearl.
Pearl, may pearl. Ako amoy dried mango.
Mine is,
Smells like dried mango for me.
but
I
my,
don't
but my smell
ano
it's
to?
grass.
Ilan lang?
Guys, it smells good. So we're just gonna put half of it.
Yes.
And we boiled 3 liters, okay?
Guys, look like a
Sorry.
dog food.
Turn that on.
What? It's
Then
the,
have to cover this for 30 minutes. Have to boil it.
In a low.
Taste it.
Yay! Yan ang ilalagay natin. Pinainit lang. Guys, that's our finished product na buo.
Hi guys! This is the finished product.
So I will teach you how to prepare it.
Okay, first,
Can you put it for me in this
I thought you're gonna teach them.
No, I don't know how to put some. Maybe I put too much and then it will go in the flour.
No, you just have to pour the sugar syrup
Oh, into the cup. With the cup.
and then spread it in the sides of the cup.
I
Okay?
think I know this thing.
Okay, I'll try.
I wish I can get mine or too bad.
Let's see if I...
Nakulit.
We'll put pearl in our mason jar.
Yes. Are you gonna put mine?
I love the pearl.
Me too.
This is my favorite.
Me too. Don't do it.
That's gross. Okay, it's my turn.
No, it's not yours. Oh, that's your turn.
Ano yun, ma? Okay.
Next, we're gonna pour it.
Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Bakit?
Inuwi mo na tayo ng...
Abo.
Hindi, imulti mo.
Ah,
Woo, pearl.
Sa ilalim din yata nilalagay yung ano. Tapos lagyan mo ng
Cream cheese? Okay, put some cream cheese at the bottom of the... Lapit mo, lapit mo.
more some, guys.
Mama, pwede pa lapit konti.
There we go.
Okay, it's my turn.
No, it's not yours.
Uy, careful.
Okay na.
Yes, that's enough.
Okay, it's my turn.
This is my serving spoon. Look. Taste it.
And then, pour it.
What a lot. I think that's enough. I cannot pay.
And then we'll add add cream cheese at the top. Where are you going? By the way, mine is Okinawa and Belle's milk tea is winter melon. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sorry, go.
It tastes good. How about yours? It's also good, but I like Okinawa better. Kulang?
There.
Ano nga? Bakit ayaw mo? Mas masarap to, Okinawa, for me. Guys, it's really cheap, so it's best for business.
Yummy.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
bye-bye! Ayan. Guys, it's really cheap. Para siyang zagu na sago. Super sarap.
Hope you enjoy.
Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Guys, actually, pangalawa na ni Belle yan. Caramelized sugar syrup.
She cannot talk. And guys, let's go up. I need to find my favorite flavor. We have a problem. Now, Andrew, what's my favorite flavor?